Good morning, children. Let's begin with the topic the thorn forest and scrubs. In regions with less than 70 cm of rainfall, the natural vegetation consists of thorny trees and bushes. This type of vegetation is found in the northwestern part of country, that is covering the states of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Look here in the map, that is for this part is your thorn forest covering the states of the Rajasthan, Gujarat, few parts of the Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra is also Madhya Pradesh is also there, and Haryana is also there, and the interior parts of the India are there, covering the states of the Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, few parts of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Plants that are found there are acacia, palms, euphorbias, and cacti are the main plant species. Trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil in order to get moisture. Because they have long roots, so that they can get the water from the deep inside the soil, because in the desert areas water is less, so they used to take water from the inside, that is in the soil. Stems are succulent to conserve water. Leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize evaporation. Leaves and the even stems, they are thick only, so that evaporation should be less in these areas, so that the water can be conserved in these parts of the trees. These forests give way to the thorn forest and scrubs in the arid areas. In the more dry arid areas, they changes into the thorn forest. In these forests, the common animals are rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass, horses, camels. Next is a mountain forest. In mountainous areas, the decrease in the temperature with increasing altitude leads to corresponding change in natural vegetation. That is, when the height increases, the changes in the vegetation is there. As in the plain areas, we have the trees, that is broadleaf trees are there. But as we move to the hilly areas, the trees changes into the spines, that is where needle-like leaves start occurring in those areas when we reaches to the high altitude. As such, there is succession of the natural vegetation belts. In the same succession means same kind of the trees are found in the hilly areas. We see from the tropical to the tundra region. The wet temperate type of forests are found in the between the height of 1000 and 2000 meters. Evergreen broadleaf trees such as oaks and chestnut predominate. Between 1500 and 3000 meters, temperate forests containing coniferous trees like pine, devda, silver fir, spruce and cedar are found. That is, in these areas, these kinds of trees are found between the height of 1500 and 3000 meters. These forests cover mostly the southern slopes of the Himalayas, places having high altitude, and southern northeastern India. So this part is that is in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. We have that is a mountain forest, and in the southern part of the Himalayas we have the trees that are found at the Devda are found in this area. At high elevation, temperate grasslands are common. When we reaches to the more height, it changes into the grasslands, that is 3600 meters. Temperate forests and grasslands give way to the alpine vegetation. Silver fir, junipers, pines and birches are common trees that are found there. However, they get progressively stunted as they approach to snow. When they reach to the snow line, the height gets reduced, okay, and they become of small height, and the leaves also get reduced into that is very needle-like shape. Ultimately, through shrubs and scrubs, they merge into the alpine grasslands. These are alpine grasslands, that is very small grasslands. These are used extensively for grazing by nomadic tribes like Gujars and Bakarwals. At high altitudes, mosses, lichens form part of the tundra vegetation. And at very great height, when the snow is covered, all the hills are covered with the snow, there lichens and the mosses are found. That is kind of algae grass is found over there. Common animals found in these forests are Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrels, shaggy horn and wild ibex, bear and red panda, sheep and goats and thick hair, having hair. All the animals that are found in the hilly areas, they have thick hair on their body. Even the street dogs that are found in the hilly areas, they have the thick fur on their body in comparison to the plain areas.